Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can sign up for GitHub account. Let's start. Open your browser, just write here GitHub. Open your first link. This is the official website for GitHub. So for sign up you have to click on sign up, and here you can see that the GitHub page is loading. So now you have to write your email here, and this is my email, and I will click on continue. Here you have to write your password. Choose your password here and click on continue. Here you have to write your username for your account and click on continue. This is my username and click on continue. Now if you want to receive update about the product, click on yes and continue. Now you have to complete the puzzle to complete the sign up process. So click on start puzzle, and you have to pick one square that show two identical object, right? So I have to choose, okay, this one. Okay, fine. Pick one square that show two identical. Okay, fine. Okay, it's done. Now click on create account. Now you will receive an email. This is the email, and I will copy the code from here and I will paste here, and it's done. Now they will ask you how many team member you will work with you. It's only me, and you can choose student or teacher. I'm a student. Okay, continue. Now you can click on continue. Now there are two you can get additional student benefit, the pro account and the free account. I want to continue for free. If you want, you can apply for a student benefit for a pro account, but I will click on continue for free. Now it's almost done. You can see that this is the official website for a GitHub to upload your repository. So you can share your code here, your project, and so on. So this is my account, and this is my username, and this is my click on profile. This is my profile. I can update my picture here. I can edit my profile. I can write my name here, and here I can write my bio, my company, my location, and so on. I will click on. I can put my social media or maybe LinkedIn or other accounts, save here. So this is my GitHub repository. If I want to upload some code to share my code here with other people or with my company or anything else, you can store your code here. So this is a small video for you. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.